One powerful seed restores eye health naturally. With 30 million Americans facing vision issues, this uncommon seed can reduce inflammation and protect your eyes. Discover the science behind black cumin seed and how to use it for clearer vision. Starting today. Hello, United States. Fading eyesight is a growing concern, with 30 million Americans reporting vision problems and 20 million facing age-related macular degeneration or cataracts, per a 2024 Centers for Disease Control and Prevention report. These issues limit daily life and cost the healthcare system billions annually. But one uncommon seed, black cumin seed, offers a natural way to protect and restore your vision. In this video, we're diving into the science behind black cumin seed's eye-boosting powers, backed by cutting-edge research. We'll share easy ways to add it to your diet and complementary habits that fit busy American lifestyles. Perfect for professionals, parents, or retirees. With 40% of adults over 50 reporting eyesight decline, per a 2024 American Academy of Ophthalmology study, it's time to act. Let's sharpen your vision. Black cumin seed, or Nigella sativa, is a lesser-known spice with potent eye health benefits, thanks to its thymoquinone, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. A 2024 Journal of Ophthalmology study found that black cumin seed reduces eye inflammation by 20%, protecting against common vision issues. Key benefits: antioxidant protection. Thymoquinone neutralizes free radicals, preventing oxidative damage to the retina, per a 2023 nutrient study. 1 teaspoon of black cumin seed oil contains 500 milligrams of active compounds, rivaling synthetic eye supplements. Anti-inflammatory effects. A 2024 American Journal of Ophthalmology study showed that black cumin seed lowers inflammatory cytokines by 15%, easing conditions like allergic conjunctivitis, affecting 30% of Americans, per the American Academy of Ophthalmology. Cataract prevention. Daily intake slows lens clouding by 10%, per a 2023 Journal of Clinical Nutrition study, critical for 20 million Americans with cataracts, per the National Eye Institute. Dry eye relief. Improves tear production and reduces dryness, per a 2024 Journal of Investigative Ophthalmology and Visual Science study, benefiting 16 million Americans with dry eye syndrome. Macular protection. Supports retinal health, reducing age-related macular degeneration risk, per a 2024 Nutrient study. Why it matters. Vision issues increase fall risks and healthcare costs. $500 per eye exam, per a 2024 Healthline report, impacting 30 million Americans. Dr. Penny Asbell, an ophthalmologist, notes in a 2024 Journal of Ophthalmology article, natural compounds like those in black cumin seed are a promising, accessible tool for maintaining eye health. Adding this seed can safeguard your vision naturally. Incorporating black cumin seed into your diet is simple, affordable, and effective. A 2024 nutrient study found that 1 teaspoon of black cumin seeds or oil daily delivers significant eye health benefits with minimal side effects. Forms of black cumin seed. Whole seeds, available at health food stores. $10 per pound at Whole Foods, or online Amazon. Ground seeds. Easier to digest, ideal for cooking or sprinkling. Oil. Concentrated for maximum potency. $15 per bottle at health stores. Capsules. Convenient for on-the-go Americans. $10 for 60 capsules at Amazon. Recipes. Serving size 1. Black cumin smoothie. Blend 1 teaspoon ground black cumin seeds, 50 cents per ounce, with 1 cup spinach, 30 cents at Aldi, half banana, 10 cents, and 1 cup almond milk, 30 cents. Takes 1 minute. Provides 10 grams of fiber and antioxidants, per a 2023 Journal of Clinical Nutrition study. Seeded salad. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon ground black cumin seeds on 1 cup mixed greens, 50 cents at Kroger, with 1 tablespoon olive oil, 10 cents, and 1 ounce walnuts, 50 cents at Costco. Takes 30 seconds. Boosts vitamin A for eye health, per a 2024 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study. Black cumin tea. Steep 1 teaspoon whole seeds in 1 cup hot water. 10 cents for tea bag. For 5 minutes, strain, and add 1 teaspoon honey. 10 cents at Target. Takes 5 minutes. Enhances retinal health, per a 2023 nutrient study. Capsule option. Take one 500 milligram capsule with 1 cup water for a 30-second solution. Ideal for busy schedules. Safety note: consult a doctor via telehealth, $50 at healthline.com. If on medications, as black cumin may interact with blood thinners, per a 2024 Journal of Pharmacology study. Pair black cumin seed with habits to maximize eye health. A 2024 Journal of Investigative Ophthalmology and Visual Science study found that combining diet with lifestyle changes improves vision by 15%. Eye exercises. Practice 30 seconds of blinking or near-far focusing. Shift focus from a near object to a distant one. Daily to reduce eye strain. Per a 2023 American Journal of Ophthalmology study. Free and doable anywhere. Example: blink 10 times rapidly while preparing your black cumin smoothie. Screen breaks. Every 20 minutes, look at an object 20 feet away for 20 seconds to prevent digital eye strain, per a 2024 Journal of Ophthalmology study. Affects 60% of Americans using screens daily, per the American Academy of Ophthalmology. Example: practice during work breaks to protect retinas. With 30 million Americans battling vision issues, black cumin seed can transform your eyesight naturally. Take our 30-day eye health challenge. Consume 1 teaspoon of black cumin seed daily, add one habit like a screen break or hydration, and track your vision improvements. Imagine reading, driving, or enjoying hobbies without strain. Share your progress at aoa.org and inspire others. For personalized advice, consult an eye doctor via the American Academy of Ophthalmology. $50 per telehealth session. Your eyes, your clarity. Act now. That's it for the uncommon seed that restores eye health. Subscribe for more daily health tips and comment below. How are you adding black cumin seed to your diet? Let's keep the conversation going and build a clearer, healthier United States. See you tomorrow.